Hello guys, here is my new here are my new silencers, the Ixrace DC2. I well, long story short, I had an accident, and the motorcycle dealership asked me for the silencers references, and actually I did a mistake because I went for the Ixrace DC2, which were my first choice when I decided to change the stock silencers of my CB1000R. And well, first, let me give you the reason why I decided to go for the MIV MK3. Actually, it's because of what you can see, the logo. I'm really not a huge fan of logos, brand, and so on. And this X-Race is it's not all over the silencer, but you can see it obviously. It's well, it's not something that I like. I don't like the X-Race logo, by the way. So I decided to go for the MIV MK3, and but you know what? Actually, mm, this mistake I made after my accident is a good one, because I really didn't think I would be able to get rid of this logo, and actually I did. Here is the result. I use some acetone in order to remove the mark, to remove the logo, but as you can see, there's still some mark right right there on both silencers, and but I'm quite happy with this result, because I didn't like the logo, and the mark aren't that easy to see, so it's okay. Let's see how it looks on the bike, and how it sounds as well. So here is my CB1000R, my modded CB1000R. Before talking about the silencers, let's have a quick look over my new mirrors. I decided to change my old ones, which were Moto Gadget mo.view flight mirrors, um, because actually for two reasons. Yes, first, those ones are the Moto Gadget mo.view Cafe mirrors. They are built pretty much the same way the mo.view flight are. So they are built 100% of, they are made 100% of alloy. And the reason why I decided to change is because when I was turning the handlebar to the max, the mirrors they weren't touching the fuel tank, but they were pretty close to it. So that's the first reason. Actually, the second one is I find that the cafe fit more, way more the overall look of the bike than the mo.view flight. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. Here is the result. So as you can see, we can still see the mark left by the logo removal. But I don't know if it's because of the camera or because of the sun or the angle. I don't know, but it's not that easy to see it's not that easy to see in real life, I would say. I even have a friend of mine who weren't able to see it by himself unless I told him. So I'm pretty happy with the way it looks now. So now let's check the way it sounds. Spoiler alert: it's not really noisy, I would say.